I tried jewelry reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They think all jewelry review apps just show pretty pictures, but claims to provide detailed reviews, authenticity verification, and market price tracking. I spent a week putting it to the test. On day 1, I explored the interface. The app immediately displays ratings, gemstone quality, and metal purity. Most people overlook the grading details, but breaks it down into clarity, cut, carat, and color, all essential for understanding true value. By day 3, I tested the authenticity verification feature. You won't believe what happens next. One of the rings I considered purchasing was flagged as possibly misrepresented. The surprising truth is that this feature can prevent costly mistakes before they happen. By day 5, I explored price tracking. Most people get this wrong by comparing only a few stores, but tracks prices across multiple retailers and even alerts you to deals. I found a necklace I had been watching drop by 15% in under 48 hours. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. VVS Jewelry Reviews app is more than a simple review platform. It's a practical tool for buyers who care about quality, authenticity, and value. Most people underestimate the power of accurate information when it comes to jewelry purchases. If you want confidence, clarity, and smarter buying decisions, this is worth exploring. The shocking truth: jewelry shopping without proper research is risky, but apps like this make it safe and savvy.